Whoa. So here's my Serengeti Puma with the Kickstarter. And let's see how it starts. Starts up pretty good. Since this mini bike has a Kickstarter now, let's add one on the RSV. They come in black and they also come in silver. So let's take this one off. You could install it in any position as long as your carb doesn't get in the way. To install it this way, you will probably need a curved intake. For this install, you will have to remove your blower housing. Line up your housing how you want it. If there's no threads, you will have to use the nut and bolt method. Secure all your bolts. I have the Kickstarter all installed and held with nuts and bolts with lock washers. Last bolt, you have to get it by hand and get it with the wrench, since you can't get it with the socket. And last but not least, the Kickstarter itself. Don't forget to put in your bolts in so you don't lose your Kickstarter. Now let's see which start. Let's try that again, and then you'll see how much clearance you have from the carb and your kick lever. So yeah, the Kickstarter from JMCH works on the 196 Hyson engine that comes with all the Colemans. And I actually don't know if it will work with the 224 because the starter cup is a lot longer on the 224 and I can't verify fitment.